Hello, everyone, and welcome to another video from Mantra Help Series. So, in this video, we are actually going to look at a very specific use case involving more advanced blocks from the pages called database and forms. And in this video, we are specifically looking at some of the use cases wherein you can use databases and forms together. So this is your mantra, workspace, and I have created a new workspace called contact form because the use case that we are actually going to do has something to do with how to create a contact form quickly, and that is kind of a best example for database and forms. So I'll start off by chatting with Mantra A. So as we would have already seen, like we are specific to a particular workspace when you're working with Mantra AI. So here, like think of this example. Like I am a like say like a personal trainer, and I am in the process of sharing my contact information to potential customers in WhatsApp groups or through social media, etc. And you can't set up a single website, but you just need like a single web page or something similar which has a contact form and has some details about yourself and the services that you provide. So that is what we are actually going to simulate here. Like say, let me start off by talking to my Mantra assistant. Hey, my name is John, and I am a personal trainer with uh, 10 plus years of experience. Um, I focus on sports, injuries, weight loss, uh, like lean, lean muscle building, and also and also like fitness for older older generation or older people for old people. Yeah. So I want to create a marketing uh, page which has my introduction, details of the services that I provide. Please add details to each and make sure it sounds professional and trustworthy. Please add a few quotes which are positive as feedbacks from my two customers. I will correct those later if wrong. Uh, Please create a new page and add this content as though you are my marketing assistant. So we are here just creating a kind of a page with this kind of material where his kind of giving details like in a very like a marketing way about your details, getting started, like who I am, what are my qualifications, etc. So yes, this is for sample, so I'm not going into specific details. Obviously, you can edit this and give it maybe a right statement, or you can correct it, or maybe add a few things, etc. But I hope you get the idea. Like we have got AS in creating for us a page which actually sounds good, and of course, once the page is created, we will make it look good as well. So we're just waiting for the page to be created. Yeah, it's actually sounds good. It's just that need to kind of maybe rename some of the things or add some email and phone number. I could have already given the email and phone number in the initial prompt so that it would create it promptly and correctly. But yeah, let's wait for it to create the page for us. All right. So it has created a page with 20 blocks. Let's have a look at it quickly. All right, looks good. Maybe it's just that this needs to be a bulleted list. So I'll just make those into bulleted list just to make sure it looks good. Of course, you can make all the changes. Maybe this needs to be a quote that was missed. So yeah, yes, and maybe we'll add a cover as well. So training. Let's see what training brings up. Okay, not this kind of training. Yeah, maybe this. This maybe this is nice. All right. So we have a page. Maybe if you want it, like we can make it full screen as well for if you want that exactly. But we have not shared that yet. But like with this information, what we need is now the introduction. We have got the introduction text. Now what we need next is actually a database and a contact form, right? So that's what now we are going to build. So we are going to do mantra page again. So I say great. So I am building a contact database. Can you create a new page called contacts and create a database in it with the fields name, email, and or maybe requirement as text fields and phone number also as text and a interested date of joining as a date field. So let's see what it does. So I'm actually asking it to create a new a contacts page, okay, with the database in it. So you'll see what we will do, because we need a database to create a form. A form cannot exist by itself. So a form is always an input to a database. So yes, so it has been created in contacts. So as you can see, interested, date of joining, requirements, phone number, name, etc. is there. So now what we would do is we will go to this the page that we had earlier created. We'll say slash and form. So when you create a form always asks for which database. So now we have that contact leads database that we had created here, so that we will connect to it and say contact me and get in touch with uh, me so that we can achieve so that I can help you achieve your health goals. Of course, you can kind of add more details to it. These are the fields. So we have created that and now created a form. So if you have any specific kind of like you get more kind of formatting options once you initially create and then edit. That's because there is a more kind of a better editing options here. And then submit button can be submit button can be connect with me. And maybe this is not my color, mine is a bit more like say green color or something, I don't know. But let's just to show you that this is possible, I select the green color and these are actually fine. Oh no, sorry, not there. Yeah. So yeah, so this is how a form like that would look. So maybe a divider here would be nice to look good in the formatting. All right. So this is my simple contact me page. You can of course add more details in it and maybe multiple forms also you can add. There is no limitation to it. But basically the idea is that let's make this now public. This is private. So connect with me or maybe trainer John can be the thing. And based on the private handle that we had kept and which is in the account section, which we have seen in the initial introduction video, You copy this, save it, and of course this is in the similar same window, but still, like, you can actually share it with anyone, and this page will be shown, and this can be shared in kind of like social media, etc. And the image that you add here will come as the thumbnail image for the kind of the link that you share. So the basic idea is, like, you share this with someone, and here you say Jack, um, and something something at gmail.com, and some phone number. Requirement is I don't know, um, pain relief, and the date of joining, let's say we will keep it as 31st of March. And if I clicked connect with me, that form has been submitted. Now if you go back and go to the contacts page, you can actually see that it has been collected. So you have this information. So similarly, you can actually distribute a page like this and get those details from your contact. So I mean, this is just an example of a contact me form, but the same thing can be used for like feedback, or RSVPs for like say birthday parties or events, whatever you need, or even uh, for your uh, office gathering, like you're getting yes or no from your colleagues. All that can be collected using these forms as well. And of course, once done, you can actually export it as a CSV and use it in a maybe an Excel sheet or Google Sheets, etc. But this is basically what the forms and databases are, and how it can actually allow you to create a public page, like similar like a contact me page, and get information and details like in the public realm. So yeah, and even like if you are a trainer or something, and if you want to share uh, like a diet plan, or exercise plan, you can actually share this with your kind of team, and then they can actually copy it into their workspace, and they will have it. And of course, whenever a page is copied, you will get an email that somebody has copied your kind of page to their own workspace. So, well, anyway, that's not exactly related to a database or form, but that's how sharing of pages and then copying to your workspace works. So hope this video has been helpful to you, and let's see, like you will find more creative ways to use this database and forms in your system or productivity system. So thanks a lot for joining in for another video of Mantra. Thank you.